If you're serious about fitness, then you need to know the 7 mind-blowing and science-backed benefits of creatine. Creatine, a name whispered in gyms and debated in forums, has become a staple in sports nutrition. But what exactly is this seemingly magical substance? Is it a safe and effective way to boost athletic prowess? Or is it another overhyped supplement? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound, found primarily in muscle cells. It plays a crucial role in energy production, particularly during high-intensity activities like weightlifting and sprinting. By increasing creatine stores in the body, athletes can potentially enhance their strength, power, and overall performance. However, misconceptions about creatine abound, often fueled by misinformation. It's time to separate fact from fiction and explore the evidence-based benefits of creatine supplementation. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, understanding the truth about creatine can empower you to make informed decisions. Here are the 7 science-backed benefits of creatine. It helps muscle cells produce more energy. It supports many other functions in muscles. It improves high-intensity exercise performance. It speeds muscle growth. It may help with Parkinson's disease. It may fight other neurological diseases. It may lower blood sugar levels and fight diabetes. Creatine isn't some synthetic concoction. It's a vital compound produced naturally by our bodies, primarily in the liver and kidneys. It's then transported to our muscles, where it's stored and utilized for energy. Our bodies synthesize about 1 to 2 grams of creatine per day, and we also obtain it through dietary sources, primarily from animal products. Red meat and fish are particularly rich in creatine, providing a natural boost for those who consume them regularly. Vegetarians and vegans often have lower creatine stores compared to meat eaters. This difference can influence their response to creatine supplementation, as they may experience more pronounced benefits. Understanding the natural sources of creatine helps us appreciate its role in our physiology. By understanding the interplay between dietary intake and endogenous production, we can optimize our creatine levels for optimal performance and health. Creatine supplementation has become increasingly popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. By increasing creatine stores in the muscles, supplementation can provide a readily available source of energy for high-intensity activities. This can translate to increased strength, power, and improved recovery between sets. The benefits extend beyond weightlifting, as creatine has also been shown to improve performance in sprinting, jumping, and other explosive movements. One of the key advantages of creatine supplementation is its ability to help athletes push past plateaus. When our muscles are saturated with creatine, they can generate more force and sustain high-intensity efforts for longer durations. Creatine supplementation is generally considered safe and effective when used responsibly. Staying adequately hydrated is also crucial when supplementing with creatine, as it can draw water into the muscles. While creatine is primarily known for its performance-enhancing effects, emerging research suggests it may offer benefits beyond the gym. Studies have explored creatine's potential to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and mental processing speed. These cognitive benefits may be particularly relevant for individuals experiencing sleep deprivation or cognitive decline. Furthermore, creatine has shown promise in protecting against neurological disorders and promoting brain health. Beyond cognitive function, creatine may also play a role in overall health and well-being. Some studies suggest it may have antioxidant properties, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Its potential to enhance cognitive function, protect against neurological disorders, and contribute to overall health makes it a compelling supplement for a wider population. While more studies are needed to confirm these findings, the current evidence suggests that creatine may be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. I've shared my top picks for creatine with the highest purity and concentration to help you gain maximum benefits from this supplement. You can purchase these premium creatine supplements from the link in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experience with creatine in the comments. I'd love to read about your journey with this magical supplement.